Next, let's take a look at the Inset Faces tool. Start by selecting a face and then activate the tool. You'll see a circular highlight appear. Drag it inward to create a new face inside the selected one. There are several options in the top left, so let's go through them one by one. If you check the Outset option, instead of creating a face inside, it will expand outward. Next, if you check Individual, you can inset multiple selected faces separately. To see the difference, let's first try it with the box unchecked. When multiple adjacent faces are selected, Blender treats them as one and creates a single inset shape. Now, if we check Individual, each selected face gets its own inset separately, just as the name suggests. The Offset Even option ensures that the inset edges maintain an even distance. By default, this option is turned on. Let's uncheck it for a moment and see how it behaves. As you can see, without Offset Even, the inset width varies between the center and the edges. Unless you have a specific reason to turn it off, it's best to keep Offset Even enabled. Next is Offset Relative. This option adjusts the inset amount based on the shape of the face, leading to different results depending on the geometry. The hotkey for the Inset Faces tool is I. Select a face, press I, and then left-click to confirm the operation. You can fine-tune the settings using the options at the bottom of the screen. Even after confirming, you can still make adjustments using the pop-up menu in the lower left. For example, by combining the Inset Faces tool with the Extrude tool, you can create stepped shapes like this.